Christi Reece Group in Grand Junction, Colorado, and we are so proud to represent some of the Grand Valley's finest properties. And today we'd like to introduce you to one of the most extraordinary estates we've ever listed for sale. Welcome. Let us introduce you to some of the fine aspects of this property. This entire estate was designed specifically for luxury casual living, with an emphasis on bringing the beautiful landscape indoors.
Straight from the kitchen to the amazing, expansive views of the American West landscape. This is our national treasure and natural landscape, the Colorado National Monument. Jen Taylor with the Christi Reece Group. On behalf of Christi and myself, we thank you for joining us on this tour of this exquisite estate. If you'd like to see the property and arrange for a special showing, we would love to be your guide. Thank you for joining us.